Dear parents, welcome to our YouTube channel. Remember, a powerful vocabulary is a lifelong asset. Invest in your child's future today. Watch our video now to give your little one's vocabulary a stimulating boost. In this video, we have created a quick and informative guide for parents looking to enhance their child's vocabulary. Watch as we share some valuable tips and tricks that are guaranteed to supercharge your little one's linguistic skills. I'm sure you need some simple yet effective techniques to enhance your child's vocabulary. So, you are at the right place if you need some simple yet effective techniques for vocabulary development. Hello, I'm Shabana, a speech and language therapist with an experience of more than 20 years. These techniques were used with many kids, and every time we got huge success. So make a note of the activities and use them every day. Let's get started. Tip number 1: talk, and engage your child in conversations. Discuss everyday activities. Ask open ended questions and encourage them to speak, to express their thoughts and ideas. Tip number 2: encourage reading. Read together with your child and introduce them to a wide range of books. Discuss the stories, characters, and new words they come across. Make reading a fun and enjoyable experience. Make a reading corner in your house. Tip number 3: incorporate drawing. Encourage your child to draw and label their creations. This helps them to associate words with objects, stimulating their vocabulary development. Tip number 4: play word games. Explore interactive games, puzzles, and apps that focus on vocabulary enrichment. Make it a fun and friendly competition. Tip number 5: visit new places. Take your little ones on educational outings to museums, parks, or cultural centers. In this way, if you are exposing them to new environments, opens up conversations and introduces them to new words and concepts. These quick tricks will supercharge your child's vocabulary. Remember to be patient and consistent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.